How to post Instagram photos in 3:4 portrait ratio. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can post Instagram photos in 3:4 aspect ratio. Now, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your Instagram, locate your app, and then open it up. So you can have your device ready, your photo ready. Make sure that you have your photo, or if you want, you can directly click from your camera app and you can click from your Instagram itself as well. After you've done that, tap on the plus icon on the bottom. And from here, choose the photo that you want. After you choose a photo, initially this is going to be in a square format. And if you want to change it into 3:4 portrait ratio, tap on this icon. And it will basically be in 3:4 aspect ratio. So you can see the grid. This aspect ratio will fit the layout. And if this does not work, you can crop your photo beforehand as well. Then tap on the next icon on the top right. And now simply start posting. Now tap on the share button after you made your edits. And the photo will get posted. And that is how you can post your Instagram photos in 3:4 ratio. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.